Have you ever wondered how we, as a species, have ended up as we are today? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? The story of our evolution is a tale of survival, adaptation, and change. It's like peeling back the layers of history to reveal the core of our very existence. It's a journey that takes us millions of years back in time to our earliest ancestors. Understanding our past can help us understand our present and future. Enter Charles Darwin. Born in 1809, Charles Darwin was a naturalist who changed the way we perceive our place in the natural world. Growing up in Shrewsbury, England, young Charles was fascinated with the living world around him. His inquisitive mind was always full of questions about the intricate workings of nature, a curiosity that would shape his future. At the tender age of 22, Darwin embarked on a journey that would forever cement his place in history. He set sail on the HMS Beagle for a voyage around the world. This trip exposed him to a wide variety of ecosystems, species, and geological formations. It was during this voyage that the seeds of a revolutionary idea began to take root in Darwin's mind. The diversity he encountered, the adaptation of species to their environment, all these observations were pieces of a puzzle that would eventually form his groundbreaking theory. This voyage was the beginning of a theory that would shake our understanding of life itself. Darwin's observations during his voyage led him to a revolutionary idea: evolution by natural selection. This concept at its core is a simple one. It's all about survival and reproduction. Those organisms best suited to their environment are more likely to survive and pass on their traits to the next generation. This is what Darwin referred to as survival of the fittest. But it's not just about survival. Over time, as conditions change, species must adapt or risk extinction. This continuous adaptation leads to the diversity of life we see around us. It's a process that takes place over millions of years, with each small change stacking up to create a vast tapestry of life. So it's not about the strongest or the fastest, but those best equipped to handle change. So evolution is not just about survival, but about adaptation and change. Darwin's theory of evolution was not immediately accepted. It challenged the established beliefs of the time. The audacious proposal of species evolving over time via natural selection was met with both fascination and fierce contention. Critics argued it contradicted religious teachings, while others questioned its scientific validity. The uproar was deafening, but so was the discourse it triggered. Scientists began conducting their own experiments, scrutinizing Darwin's theory with a fine-toothed comb. Over time, as more and more data supported Darwin's theory, the tide of opinion began to turn. From the fossil record to genetic studies, the evidence piled up. The theory, once a source of controversy, slowly but surely gained acceptance. Today, it is considered a fundamental concept in biology, shaping our understanding of life on Earth. Despite initial resistance, Darwin's theory has stood the test of time and is now a cornerstone of modern biology. So, what does Darwin's theory of evolution tell us? Let's take a moment to glance back at our journey through this fascinating theory. We started by understanding the concept of natural selection, the idea that traits which enhance survival and reproduction become more common in successive generations of a population. This principle is often referred to as survival of the fittest, a phrase that beautifully encapsulates the relentless competition in nature. We then delved into the concept of adaptation, how species change over time to better suit their environments. This is a dynamic process, an ongoing dialogue between a species and its habitat. It's a testament to the flexibility and resilience of life, a testament to its ability to change and thrive in an ever-changing world. But Darwin's theory is more than just a scientific explanation. It's a lens through which we can view and understand the world. It has had a profound impact on a multitude of fields, from biology to philosophy, and has shaped our understanding of ourselves and our place in the grand scheme of life. Consider the implications of this theory. It suggests that all life on Earth is interconnected, that we are all products of the same evolutionary processes shaped by the same forces of nature. It tells us that we are all part of the intricate web of life, constantly evolving and adapting, and that in itself is quite a thought to ponder on.